Hello, good morning and welcome to Not Just About Ducks with me, Angela. I get my GoPro back in my computer back in a couple of days, so yes, let's go and see the ducks. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Yes, I am indeed very excited, and so are the ducks. So if I put my my GoPro by there, and we can have a little look. Hello! Oh, GoPro start recording. And we can have a look by there. No. Oh! And we can have a look. Oh! By there. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Run, ducks, run! Whoa! Did you ever? What are you two doing? Yes, what are you doing? Here they come. Let's go and open the gate for them. Let's go and open the gate. Let's go and open the gate. Can you see? Yes. Come on then, ducks. That's a fine gate. Door. Go on then, ducks. It's ready for you. Come on. Whoops, there they go. There they go. Oops-a-days. There they go. And Betty's in first. And then Miss Billie Jean. And then we have Miss Fern. And we have... Oh, my gracious. Yes, we have Miss Dot and Miss Pearl. I see first at the pond up there. First at the pool. First at the pool by there, I do believe, was Miss Elwyn, followed by Miss Betty, which in actual fact, Betty was there first. Good on Betty. And then Miss Georgina. Oh, there's Miss Josephine, the last. Come on, Miss Josephine. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lucy Goosey. Mr. Ganderton, good morning, sir. Miss Dolly, what have you been doing? You've got all feathers up your nose. Yes. Hey, Tuck. There they are. You're a bit wonky by there, aren't you? Who's by there? Let's put you by there. Oops. GoPro stop recording. Yes. Sorry about the swirl. Sorry about the swirl, guys. But, what was you taking a picture of then? Me? I don't know. I cannot see.